Hello, everyone. How are you? My name is Maya. My heart is my museum. My mother name is Matsumamoya. I am Koyo Kayatoi, District Kamut, Assam. I am going to recite a poem. Name Johnny is Papa. It's Papa. Johnny Papa. Eating sugar, no Papa. Playing night, no Papa. Open the mouth, ha ha ha. Thank you. Bye bye.